संसद के शीतकालीन सत्र में केंद्रीय नागर विमानन मंत्री राममोहन नायडू ने पिछले कई दिनों से जारी इंडिगो के परिचालन में आए व्यवधान के मुद्दे पर बात की। उन्होंने कहा कि किसी भी विमानन कंपनी को यात्रियों के लिए परेशानियां खड़ी करने की अनुमति नहीं दी जाएगी। सरकार एयरलाइंस के संचालन और जवाबदेही पर कड़ी निगरानी रख रही है। पिछले कई दिनों से इंडिगो की उड़ानों में रद्दीकरण और विलंब की समस्या थी। इस गंभीर मुद्दे पर मंत्री ने कहा कि एयरलाइंस की आंतरिक असफलता यात्रियों पर असर नहीं डाल सकती। उन्होंने बताया कि इंडिगो ने रद्द या लेट उड़ानों के लिए अब तक 610 करोड़ रुपए के रिफंड की प्रक्रिया को पूरा कर लिया है। इंडिगो ने अपनी फ्लाइट्स का स्टेटस अपडेट भी दिया है। 7 दिसंबर 2025 तक एयरलाइन की सेवा बहाली में महत्वपूर्ण सुधार भी हुए। उन्होंने कहा कि देश का विमानन नेटवर्क तेजी से सामान्य स्थिति की ओर लौट रहा है। परिचालन पूरी तरह स्थिर होने तक सभी सुधारात्मक कदम लागू रहेंगे। इसके साथ ही सभी एयरलाइंस को ये चेतावनी भी दी गई है कि यदि किसी एयरलाइन ने नियमों का उल्लंघन किया या पैसेंजर्स के अधिकार की अनदेखी की तो सरकार इस पर कड़ी कार्रवाई भी करेगी।
Honorable Speaker, sir, as I rise to speak today, I would like to inform this august House that the disruption caused by Indigo's recent operational failures is now rapidly stabilizing. Indigo's daily flights, which had fallen drastically to 706 on 5th of December, have recovered to over 1,800 flights yesterday and are expected to rise further today. All other airlines continue to operate smoothly across the country, and the airports are reporting normal conditions without crowding or distress. Refunds, baggage tracing, and passenger support measures remain under continuous supervision by the ministry. At the same time, accountability will be ensured. DGCA has issued show cause notices to Indigo's senior leadership and commenced a detailed enforcement investigation. Depending on the outcome, strict and appropriate action, as empowered under the Aircraft Rules and Act, will be taken. No airline, however large, will be permitted to cause such hardship to passengers through planning failures, non-compliance, or non-adherence to statutory provisions. Honorable Speaker, sir, safety in civil aviation is completely non-negotiable. India is a founding member of the International Civil Aviation Organization and remains firmly committed to the highest global standards of safety. Revised flight duty time limitations, scientifically designed to prevent pilot fatigue, are being implemented. These reforms are essentially for passenger safety. DGCA adopted a phased-wise implementation plan in consultation with all the stakeholders. Phase 1 from 1st July 2025, Phase 2 from 1st November 2025. Indigo had clearly assured full compliance with these norms and also confirmed its preparedness to undertake its winter schedule. Despite these assurances, prima facie, it was observed that internal rostering disruptions led to large-scale cancellations, causing inconvenience to thousands of passengers. The ministry advised the regulator to act immediately. Inquiry orders and show cause notice to CEO and COO of Indigo were issued. Also, Indigo has been directed to restructure its operations, add reserve crew capacity, improve passenger handling, and restore normal schedules without any delay. Enhanced oversight on the ground continues. Passengers' interests have been at the center of every decision taken by the government. We intervened to cap fares so that no passenger would be exploited due to the sudden demand spikes and opportunistic pricing. Indigo was ordered to issue refunds promptly, and as informed by them, more than 750 crore has already reached the passengers. For the passengers who wanted the rebookings to be done, the same were done without any additional charges. We are monitoring each and every case of baggage handling over and ensuring that communication with passengers is both timely and dignified. As informed by Indigo, process of refunds, baggage handling are over in its final stages. Our 24/7 control room continues to assist passengers directly whenever needed. Honorable Speaker, sir, going forward, the government is determined to build a more robust and competitive aviation ecosystem. Through our policies, we are encouraging more new airlines to start and operate in India, ensuring fair access to airport capacity and eliminating any possibility of duopoly, controlling connectivity and pricing in our skies. More airlines mean more choice, more affordability, and more resilience for the passengers. In the last 1 decade, Indian aviation has evolved to become more inclusive. India has emerged as the world's fastest growing aviation market with year-on-year passenger growth of around 12%. India is already third biggest domestic aviation market with a huge potential for future growth. And the policies of the government will ensure that this growth trajectory is kept intact. To summarize, operations are stabilizing fast, safety remains fully in force, Indigo is being held accountable, passengers' convenience and dignity are being protected, and long-term measures are underway to make India's aviation sector stronger and more passenger-centric. The government will remain fully vigilant until normalcy is achieved and will continue to ensure that every passenger in India travels safely, comfortably, and with the respect they deserve. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.